Namba ya arutwo aria mareyandikithia thukuru-ini cia TVET ikoretwo ikiongerereka o mwaka. Thirikari riu ikiuga iri ihenya-ini ria gukinyaniria tabarira ngurani iria cikuhotithia kuhingura mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi aria maregwatira utaaramu wa kothi cia moko.
And it is the body that is going to ensure that this country is producing graduates that we need for industry.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango uria kuhuthika gukinyaniria tabarira cia TVET ihinda-ini ria miaka 5 yukite, Minister munene Musalia Mudavadi augite rucio rwa bururi uyu ruri moko-ini ma mbeu njithi, akimoria kugia na wigiririki na urungiriru wa mitugo.
As they speak to us on other aspects of the economy and governance in the country, I also appeal to them that also do not undermine the credentials of a disciplined youth that emerges from Kenya.
Hamwe na tabarira iria thirikari ikoretwo ikirongoreria ni mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi thiini wa mabururi ma nanja. Mudavadi akiuga a Kenya aria marutaga wira mabururi-ini ma nanja matamburitwo muno ni undu wa wigiririki na kio kiao.
But as we look outside, we must also not lose sight of the fact that at the end of the day, most of the jobs will be home-based.
Hindi ya igongona riri, Mudavadi nianiriire maumirira ma mweri wa gatatu ma arutwo thukuru-ini cia TVET thiini wa kothi itiganite. Maumirira maya ari ma makiria ya arutwo 20,000.
20,122 candidates were assessed in 193 qualifications across all levels, with 333 units of competency. This figure represents a remarkable 181% increase from the November-December 2023 assessment.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.